Today we're gonna find once and for all, guys, if Sous Vide change anything on the flavors of the rubs we use on our steaks. This is an argument that has been around since Sous Vide was created, guys. Does Sous Vide change the flavor for the meat? I mean, the other day I was talking to one of my friends and he can swear that anything done in Sous Vide tastes better. I don't know, that's not the idea of Sous Vide. The idea of Sous Vide is to have the steaks always perfect, exactly the way you want it to be, and be consistent on it. Never changing, always the perfect steak. But I know that it also changed the flavors a little bit. So today we have this amazing rub here. This, guys, is the winner of a few already really good competitions here in Florida, and the creator of this beautiful rub is my friend Sebastian, who you've seen here already in this channel. And I'll tell you this, man, this is the winner. This thing tastes amazing. I know I haven't done any video with it, but that's what we're gonna be testing today. I know exactly how it tastes. I know it's a winner rub, and we're gonna use it on both of the steaks. The only difference is we're gonna sous vide one of the steaks. The other one, we're just gonna make it on the grill like we always do with all the steaks. And this baby is gonna be in both of them. And at the end, we will taste them both and see if there is any difference on the flavor. Are you ready for this one? Let's go. So the first thing we're gonna do with these beauties is we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil on them just to hold the rub. All right, let's put a little bit on it. Just a little bit. All right, and we want that to go on both sides, just like we normally do. I want you to check this rub out. Look at this beauty. This is 100% brand new, okay? I haven't opened it. I haven't done anything with it. Let me just open everything for you right now. Look at that. Can you see it? Look how black that is. Look at the color of these, guys. And we're gonna cover our steaks with this black, beautiful rub. Now we're gonna get one of these bags and we're gonna put this steak in it. Just make sure you get all the air out of it. And this baby is going into the grill. This one is gonna be just resting outside. We're gonna see what happens. We hit the 130 degrees. All we have to do now is to drop these babies down there. So we're just gonna drop it in there and wait for about an hour and a half. We're gonna give it an hour and a half because I know that's the point that I really like the steaks. And the other one's gonna stay there with the rub for an hour and a half. After an hour and a half, we're cooking these babies. Let's see what happens after that. All right, it's been an hour and a half already, guys, and this baby should be ready. So let me get my board here, and let's put it on this board, open it up, and see what happens. So you can see, it is looking really nice. We have some juices in there that are looking really nice, and it smells great. So here we have the sous vide steak, and the other one still here. The other one haven't been touched. So now we're gonna get that grill going. We're gonna put this baby on the grill in an indirect heat, and then after that we're gonna sear them both exactly the same way. Let's get into that now. see the colors on these steaks.
That's amazing. I love the contrast.
You like it, huh?
I love it. The black with the red. Oh my God. Intense.
That rub is really black. I really like it.
I love it.
And it gives those really dark colors to the outside of the steak. But when you cut into it and you see that beauty medium right there, man, this is amazing.
What a better way to say welcome spring. Springtime is here. Colors.
And Miss Ninja, we have an experiment
What do
here.
What do we have?
An experiment.
Okay.
I'm not gonna tell you.
Okay.
What are you expecting me to tell you?
Okay.
It's an experiment. You have to taste it and tell me if something tastes different than the other. That's the whole idea here, guys.
Gotcha.
We're trying to find out if one of the steaks tastes different than the other steak. And I think this is the only way to really find out. So let me get the pine trees from here.
Pine trees.
All right, little pine trees, little Christmas trees.
So we have number A and number B.
We have number A and we have number B.
Wonderful.
And you guys are gonna know which of those. Don't tell her. Don't even mention it.
Help me, guys.
No. Let's go for number A.
Let's go.
Oh. That was a mistake.
You got doubles. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
What kind of rub is this?
That is an amazing steak that really tastes really good. That
Yes,
rub
it does.
worked really well. But we gotta try Hey, where you going?
It's alive.
We gotta try number B and see if they both taste exactly the same. Let's go for number B, Miss Ninja. Let me cut a little piece for you on number B.
Let me finish it.
Throw it away.
No.
Throw it away.
No.
All right, Miss Ninja. We have a little piece of
Pine tree.
pine tree here. Let me take it off. All right, let's go. This one is number B, guys.
Number B.
You know what it is? Don't tell her. All right?
Okay.
Let's do it.
I can feel a difference. Oh my God.
There is a difference, guys.
There is a difference.
There is a difference. Wow. There is a big difference, guys.
The intensity of the flavor.
It went down a lot.
A lot.
It's like the intensity
Wow.
was sucked out of the rub. And again, guys, this is an award-winning rub. This is the rub that we have here, Miss Ninja. I will hide it from her. That's our friend Sebastian rub.
Sebastian.
It's an award-winning rub. It just won the Eggfest here in North Florida. They won the best steak. And if you want to check his video, I'm putting it up in here too. And this is an amazing rub that works really well.
It does.
With these steaks.
Amazing.
Now, let me tell you something. What do you think, Miss Ninja? Who's the winner for you? Number A or number B?
For me, flavor-wise,
Flavor-wise.
number A.
Number A is the winner for Miss Ninja. Number
Yes.
A is the winner for me too. Because number A is delicious, brother.
And sisters.
Number A is amazing. And get out of here. And you guys know that number A is the one that we made on the grill. And number B is the one on the sous vide machine. So now you guys know, if you are rubbing your steak, if you're putting any rub on your steak, it's better if you grill it. Sous vide will keep the heat in there for a long time and will take those flavors down by a lot. I'm talking about a lot. Now you guys know, now I know too, this is a good experiment and we should stop talking about the meat and let's go for the shout out share. All right guys, it's time for Miss Ninja to shake it up. And please do it as I told you, because I'm feeling already bad about this thing. Everybody's asking, why Miss Ninja don't shake it as you told her?
They don't. You guys say that?
Yes.
They don't say that.
What do you mean? A lot of people is asking for it.
And I read the comments. I mean, guys, really, let me know. So let's shake it then.
Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Boom.
Let's do it.
Okay,
all right, it's my turn. Man, there's a big paper here. Let me go for the big one. I got the big one here.
Who do we have?
Let's see, who is it? David
Blvd.
Are
Are we pronouncing his last name properly?
I'm pretty sure we're not. It's Blvd.
Sorry, David.
Sorry, David, but
But-
you know, if you feel bad about we mentioning your name wrong and all that stuff, we have some beautiful Wagyu steaks here for you guys to try with
Yes.
an award-winning rub.
Rob.
Man, that rub is so amazing,
It is
guys.
really good. It's amazing.
It's not.
Wow.
It's not a plug, okay? I haven't been paid for any of these things. He gave it to me as a present, and
Love it.
if you want to give it a try, you should give it a try because it speaks by itself.
Oh, yes.
Well, I should say that these beautiful steaks were provided by Meat the Butchers.
Yes.
If you want to check them out because they have some real good quality meats in there, guys, that I know you guys are gonna love. It's not expensive compared to other places selling the same thing.
It's extremely good quality.
But if you want to save some money, you can use a coupon called Salty10 for a 10% discount, and I'm gonna help you a little bit. And if you don't find something on the website, you go to this guy here. He's my friend Udi. He's the owner of the company. He will hook you up with anything you need. With all that said, guys, if you like it, please hit us with the like.
Lots of likes.
If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe to the channel, bro. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you get notified every time we upload a new video.
Yes, and that is every single Tuesdays and Fridays.
It's not Mondays and Thursdays?
Tuesdays and Fridays, every time we upload a new video that we do for you guys.
And if you have any comment, any question, any idea, anything else, you can ask down there in the comments. I'm leaving all the information that you guys need to know about these beauties in the description of the video. And that's all for today. But remember that I love you.
We love you too. Stay home, be safe, and watch all our videos and have fun with us.
Yes!